Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just want to take a moment to say thank you for being such an incredible supporter of my work. Your engagement, your questions, and your feedback have all been a huge part of why I do what I do. It means the world to me. As a token of my appreciation, I've got something special for you today. Something exclusive that's only available to you, my loyal community. Today, I'm giving you full access to Module 1 of my brand new course, the Macro Investing Masterclass. Now, Module 1 is all about shifting your mindset from a retail, reactive investor to a professional macro thinker. If you've ever wondered how successful macro investors predict market trends or how they stay ahead of the curve even in tough times, then this is the module that will get you on the path. This first module includes all 5 lessons, where I cover everything from what macro investing actually is. Get the foundational knowledge on how macro investing works and why it's different from traditional investing. Why retail traders lose emotion versus structure. Learn the critical mistakes that most retail traders make and how you can avoid them by sticking to a structured, data-driven approach. How macro pros make decisions. Ever wonder how the big players in the market make their moves? This lesson reveals how macro investors navigate uncertainty. The cycles of fear, FOMO, and liquidity. Understand how market cycles work and why so many investors get trapped in emotional reactions. This lesson will show you how to think like a pro and stay calm in turbulent times. Bitcoin as a macro asset. This one is huge. It's time to shift your view of Bitcoin from a speculative asset to a global macro asset. This lesson will change how you think about digital currencies. You see, I've designed this course for people just like you, people who want to stop reacting to the market and start understanding it. The financial world can be overwhelming, but with the right framework, anyone can navigate it. And here's the best part. I'm giving you all 5 lessons of Module 1 absolutely free as a special thank you for being such a dedicated supporter of the channel. No gimmicks, no catches, just straight value to help you level up your investing game. To get started, all you have to do is click the link in the description below. You'll get immediate access to Module 1 with all 5 lessons. You can watch them at your own pace and start implementing the strategies I'm teaching right away. This is just the beginning, and trust me, what you learn here will set the foundation for your financial success. From here, we'll dive deeper into advanced strategies in future modules, but for now, I want to make sure you have everything you need to get started. I'm incredibly excited for you to dive into this content. Macro investing isn't about guesswork. It's about data, structure, and long-term strategy. Once you understand these principles, you'll have the tools to predict market movements and protect your wealth like the professionals. Thank you once again for being part of this community. Your support means everything, and I can't wait to help you transform your investing mindset with the Macro Investing Masterclass. Remember, Module 1 is free and ready for you to access right now, so click the link below and let's start this journey together.